Summary of the chapter. Wanda Petronsky and her classmates. It was Monday. Wanda was absent, but nobody noticed in the class. She did not have too many friends in the class because she was a very shy and quiet girl. She always preferred to sit in the corner of the class. She came from Boggins Heights, where poor people lived. Her parents were Polish who left Poland to settle down in America. Thinking of classmates about Wanda. Wanda's classmates thought of her only when they came out of the class and waited to tease her, but she was absent. Wanda did not come to school on Tuesday as well. Peggy and Maddie. Peggy and Maddie were close friends. Peggy was the most popular girl in the school. She was pretty and intelligent. Maddie, her friend, was a poor girl. They always teased Wanda. They stayed after the school to mock Wanda, but they noticed that she was absent. Girls made fun of Wanda. After being teased by other girls, Wanda lied of having 100 dresses and 60 pairs of shoes in her closet. This lie became a game for others, and everybody in the class wanted her to describe her dresses for them every day. Peggy and Maddie derived pleasure in her discomfort. More of Peggy. Peggy, the most popular girl of the school, was very pretty. She always teased Wanda, but she was not cruel. She never behaved cruelly with anyone, not even with animals. If somebody asked her, she always said that Wanda was not an ordinary person, but wanted her to describe the 100 dresses. More of Maddie. Maddie, a poor girl, was very close friend of Peggy. She felt bad for Wanda, as everybody teased her. She wore different dresses given by rich family. She feared that one day all the girls would be fed up of Wanda and she would become their next target. Maddie's note to Peggy about Wanda. One day, Maddie decided to write a note to Peggy asking her not to tease Wanda anymore. Later, she tore it up, thinking that she might be angry with her and would tease her. She thought about Wanda's discomfort. She thought about how Wanda had described her blue and green velvet dress with each little detail, and her thoughts got diverted to upcoming drawing contest. The drawing competition. Next day, it was drizzling, means raining lightly. Peggy and Maddie did not want to be late, so they did not wait for Wanda to tease her. There was a drawing competition for everyone in the class. Boys had to draw a motorboat and girls a dress. Everybody thought of Peggy to win, as she drew really well every time. Miss Mason announced the winner. Everybody drew beautifully in the class in bright colors. The class had assembled and the class teacher Miss Mason announced the winners of the drawing contest. Jack Pagels was the winner among the boys, and Wanda Petronsky was the winner among the girls. Everybody, especially the judges, were immensely impressed by her drawings, and each of her drawing was capable of winning the contest individually. But Wanda was absent that day. Miss Mason showed her drawing to all the students. Her classmates' reaction. Everybody in the class clapped for Wanda in joy. They found that all the dresses she used to describe were there. The green velvet one, the blue one, and the red one also. The boys whistled with fingers in their mouths. Peggy said that she had thought she could draw the same like Wanda.